In On Patrol Episode 1, I cover what a security patrol officer generally does in the vehicle, his or her duties. I also cover things an officer should expect to experience on patrol. Both these categories list bulleted text items on the video. You will see
Security Syborg
narrating all this using the right dashcam view showing me driving. Like all other episodes, this one serves to entertain, inform, and possibly help you direct the question at yourself. Is this a career right for me? Welcome to the Security Syborg debut episode. Glad to have you. Enjoy!
Security Syborg.
Behave yourself. You conduct yourself. And if you're in control, and you back it up. Speak as if you're in control. You back it up. Speech and behavior. Particularly in mobile patrol, you're observing as much as you can at one time in all directions, while still maintaining safe driving practices. Looking for things that are suspicious, violations of company parking lot policies that the client has charged you with enforcing, following the orders of your employer who's hired you to be a security officer or guard. Maintain psycho-emotional composure at all times. Looking for things that are suspicious, again. Suspicious violation of client policies. Things that are illegal or dangerous. Order number one, security is safety. Somebody while you're on the job, it's a bonus. Don't expect to get thanked for it. Doing mobile patrol, you're going by client entrances. You gotta be aware of people walking out in front of you. Continually. People seem like they'll do all they can to walk right into you, the side of your vehicle, the front of your vehicle. They'll walk out in front of you without looking. So you have to hold yourself as being partially responsible for all these people's lives, because they're not going to be responsible for their own. Don't expect people to be law-abiding. Probably not going to be. On this property, people are running just about every stop sign. In one particular intersection, people run constantly up to 10 plus miles per hour right through the stop sign. I almost got killed there literally a couple of months ago when somebody ran through about estimated 30 to 40 miles per hour, which happens frequently, mostly at night. Review of the video showed that the person missed me by about a foot, but confronted the teen male driver later on, and he admitted. Showed me with his hands apart how close it was, but he didn't seem to think it was expected. That's all for now. I'm parked. Mobile patrol. Hold on. Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Did somebody happen to turn in a black backpack?
Don't know. Customer service would be your best option.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so that's on this end,
Yeah,
pharmacy?
yeah, that's called, go up, make a right when you go in, and it'll be
Okay.
not too far.
All right, thank you.
See, there. Common question. Lost and found. Lost items. If you watch my PowerPoint information-oriented security presentations, you'll notice that I advise having a walkie-talkie on you or in your vehicle if you're mobile patrol for acceptance by the client. I have set mine, it's a dual band Baofeng basic radio, works perfectly fine. One frequency set to main band and another for that way I can hear if something comes up here, get advance notice that the police are on their way. Keep my fingers on the pulse of the city, so to speak. Can also make vain attempts to contact customer service. They have them page people, for example, to move their vehicles because they're parked in a fire lane. Bought about one of those same Baofeng radios. I donated it. It's been, I don't know, maybe 3 months. I haven't had one response on it. Expect people to do dumb things constantly. It's the year 2024. I had to spend about an hour and a half yesterday trying to get a truck moved because it was parked in the most dangerous place on the property. 100 feet or so east of that ultra dangerous intersection I just mentioned. No response to repeated beeping of the patrol vehicle horn, knocking on the door. I texted the asset protection lead, went inside and had the customer service page based on the vehicle description and the license plate of the cab. Turned out that the person, that the truck driver was off the property for the entire time. I had to sit there and occupy a safety position to warn people from my end that there was an obstruction there, that truck. People are distracted these days. First saw the truck about 12:28. Well, let's see, it was 1300 before the driver pulled up in another vehicle. She explained she was getting a phone worked on her. She was buying a new phone locally. She just left that truck parked there in an extremely hazardous place. I explained that to her. Didn't seem to grasp it. She did move to where she should have been parking. Then I wrote an incident report. I had to pull the video and name the files and store them on my work notebook computer and patrol vehicle here. So all said and done, it was more than an hour and a half allocated to that. Ed Scott, mobile patrol officer. Signing off for now.